How to install a Grisham Expandable Security Gate. The Grisham Heavy-Duty Expandable Security Gate expands to 48 inches wide and is designed to fold to 6 1/4 inches wide by 79 inches tall. Easily swings to the side when not in use. Ideal for residential and commercial applications and can be installed within or on the surface of the intended passageway. Equipped with tamper-resistant hinges and is secured in place with 3-inch non-reversing safety installation screws for added protection. The heavy-duty lock bar is secured with a padlock or equivalent. Lock not included. Tools required: power drill, large flathead screwdriver bit, 7/32 of an inch drill bit, tape measure, pencil, wood blocks to support gate at proper level, shims for leveling. Please follow all local installation codes for egress regulations in the event of an emergency. Step number 1. Determine if the expandable gate will best fit your installation as a surface mount or inner mount installation. Measure intended area for width and height for potential clearance issues. In this installation, a surface mount application will ensure greater operational clearances for the given size of the opening and greater through passage clearance when fully retracted and off to the side. The installation of the Expando gate will require a minimum 1½ inch flat mounting surface. Step number 2. Unpacking. Place the Expando gate on a sawhorse or equivalent and proceed to unpack the gate. Installation instructions and fasteners are packaged within the shipping carton. Remove and place the locking bar aside for now. Determine the fastener needed based on mounting surface structure. Fastening into wood. Use 7/32 inch drill bit for pilot hole with a 5/16 by 3 inch one-way leg screws provided. Fastening into steel. Self-tapping screw size 5/16 inch by 1 inch minimum or longer. Self-tapping screw not included. Fastening into brick or concrete. Use 1/4 inch masonry drill bit for pilot hole with the 5/16 inch by 3 inch one-way lag screws provided. Step number 3. The gate can be mounted on the left or right of the intended mounting surface by simply rotating the gate 180 degrees. Position properly sized wood blocks below the gate to help support the gate onto the entry door's mounting surface during the installation process. Mark the top and bottom position of the hinge bar with a pencil and remove the gate. In this installation, a 1/4 inch thick by 1 1/8 inch wide by 40 inch long wood shim will be needed to create a flat mounting surface. The entry door brick mold has a contour design that inhibits positioning the hinge bar onto an entirely flat surface. Position the full-length leveling shim at the marked hinge bar locations and tack in place. Reposition the Expando gate and, with a pencil, mark the hinge side pilot holes through the hinge side fastener guide holes and onto the leveling shim. Step number 4. Proceed to drill 7/32 of an inch pilot holes at marked locations. Pre-drilling the pilot holes will ensure that the mounting surface does not split when the fasteners are driven in. Step number 5. Reposition the gate at pilot hole locations and proceed to secure with a 5/16 of an inch by 3 inch fasteners. In this installation, conventional hex head 5/16 inch by 3 inch long lag bolt fasteners were used to allow for future gate removal. Driver bit and 1/2 inch socket will help facilitate securing the lag bolts in place. Note: when the gate is extended into the locked position, the installation fasteners are partially concealed and not easily accessible to tampering. Step number 6. Remove the support block and stretch the gate across the opening to line up with the locking bar so that the padlock hole in the gate and the padlock hole in the locking bar are parallel. Mark the top and bottom position of the lock bar with a pencil. A full-length shim will also be needed to create a flat surface for the latch bar. Position the full-length leveling shim at marked location and tack in place. Reposition the locking bar and mark the pilot holes through the lock side fastener guide holes and onto the leveling shim. Remove the locking bar and drill 7/32 of an inch pilot holes at marked locations. Step number 7. Reposition the locking bar and proceed to fasten with the 5/16 inch by 3 inch lag screws at all pilot hole locations. Step number 8. Expand the gate to engage with the lock bar and insert padlock or equivalent to secure. Folded gate will swing off to the side when not in use and will allow full passage accessibility. Maintenance. The Expando gate may require touch-up of scratches to prevent rust and occasional oil for smooth hinge operation. The installation is complete.